$75,000 for college. Are you kidding me, man? That's what I'm going to pay for my daughter, and that is the least expensive college that I could find that's worth a dang, right? 75, there's got to be a better way. Guess what, guys? There is, okay? I have found a potential way to get high-paying jobs without a college degree. Let me show you. Okay, so Google, I'm sure you heard of them, they just announced that they are creating career certificates. So in 6 months, you can get a certified IT career certificate that's job relevant. Let me show you. All right, here we go. So go to, I'll leave a link in the description below, but it's grow.google/certificates. What we're seeing here, I just saw this come across today. So Google career certificates, job-ready skills you can put to work. A flexible online training that puts you on the fast track to jobs in high-growth fields. Now, is this real? Let's take a look. It looks real. It's Google, okay? You can click here to get updates. Notify me when the certificate becomes available. So coming in March, first let's talk about what this is, okay? What is this? Get professional level training from Google, okay? Okay. No experience needed. How about that? Learn job-ready skills even with no relevant experience. 600,000 in-demand jobs opening across certificate fields. Okay, so what does this little one mean? What is that little? Let's go look and see the little fine print. From Burning Glass, 2020. Okay, 2020, that sounds pretty relevant there. This is promising, okay? So there's about 600,000 jobs out there that need to be filled. Learn at your own pace. Complete the online program on your terms. Under 10 hours a week. Okay, well, let's see what this number 2 is here. Oh, complete in 6 months. Under 10 hours per week. So you're telling me I can get a good job in 6 months instead of getting a 4-year degree. How much does this thing pay? Let's take a look. All right, come on. Show me the good stuff. Okay. Stand out to employers. Make your resume competitive with a credential from Google. 80% of completers report a positive career impact in 6 months. 80%. All right, let's look at the little number 3 here. What does that say? Google IT Certificate Impact Report 2019. Okay. It must be from a different certificate because some of these aren't out yet. A path to in-demand jobs. Connect with top employers who are currently hiring. 55,500 median. That's the middle. Some people are going to get paid less. Some people are going to get paid more. For entry level across certificate fields. Okay, that's the one again. What did the one say? From Burning Glass. Okay, it must be some kind of company or something. Okay, so what are we learning? Earn a credential that leads to jobs. Earn a credential that leads to jobs in high growth fields. All right. What are we going to learn? IT support. IT specialists troubleshoot problems so computers and networks run correctly. Data analytics. Data analytics collect, transform, and organize data in order to help make informed business decisions. Coming this March. You know what? This is what I currently do. Right there. I've been doing this for a very long time, but I say that, and I'll tell you right here, this is a high-paying job, a lot more than what they were saying before. But I do have decades of experience. But I would be happy to start. I would have been happy back in the day to start at that level. Okay. Project management, always a good skill to have. Project managers ensure projects within an organization are managed and completed with maximum value. If you like solving problems organization, working with people. That is an excellent skill to have. Project managers in the IT field or any field, you can be a project manager for just about anything. It's in the IT field where I'm working, they make tons of money. They make tons of money. UX design. This is interesting if you like, okay, so UX designers make digital and physical products easier and more enjoyable to use. If you like art and design, if you're an artist, designer kind of guy or gal, information design research, that is, I work with some UX designers, and they make some really good money. So the success stories, okay, you can play the video. I won't play that here, but you can come through here and play the video. So they've got a couple of different videos here that you can hear for testimonials, stuff like that. So we got 3 here. We see Chelsea, Daniel, and Eve's story. What are we talking about here? What are we really talking about? Get on the fast track to in-demand jobs in technology, retail, finance, energy, and more. Okay, so what do we got to do? Complete a Google career certificate online at your own pace and time. Access career resources like coaching sessions, mock interviews, and a resume builder. Okay? And by the way, this is supposed to be at a fraction of the cost of college and in 6 months. That sounds really good. Too good to be true? I don't know. Get your foot in the door with top employers through the Google Hiring Consortium. So, everyone knows Google's powerful. The Hiring Consortium, I can say, if this was from any company I didn't hear, I've never heard of, or some online college or something, maybe I'd be skeptical. But Google, they're the big dogs, right? They would know certificates. So in my mind, if you're being trained by Google to do IT certificates, they will know how to train you, right? And they will teach you relevant information instead of learning instead of going to college and learning English and history and math, taking that 4 years. They're going to say, okay, in 6 months, you're going to cram for this one specific thing, and you can be ready to start at entry level when you get out. That's kind of how I'm reading it. Leave me a comment and tell me how you're reading it. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so they even help you, career resources like coaching sessions, mock interviews, resume builder, and they get your foot in the door with top employers through the Google Hiring. So connect with top employers, including these. Okay, T-Mobile, Accenture, I've heard of them, never heard of those guys. Baird, Best Buy, K-Force, that's a staffing company. Okay, I've dealt with them. They're all right. Randstad, Smuckers, Target. These are big brands. Wyndham Resorts, oh yeah, okay. PNC, okay. Big brand. Deloitte, come on, right? Duke Energy. Okay, so those are really, really good. Cognizant, those are really good companies there. Got some more testimonials. Didn't know how many jobs there were in IT that pay very well. Okay, real person, seems like. Frequently asked questions. Here's where we usually get into the nitty-gritty right here. What background knowledge is necessary? None. Whether you're completely new or had some experience or have had some exposure, a Google career certificate is the right program for you. Are they really online? The certificates are completely online, so there's no need to show up in a classroom in person. You can access your instructional videos, readings, and assignments anytime and anywhere via the web or your mobile device. This is sounding good. Scholarships. You can sign up for email updates at the bottom of the page to receive information about scholarships that cover the monthly cost of Coursera. Okay, so it's a Coursera course. Coursera courses are good, are real good courses. I've taken a couple Coursera courses. They're pretty good. What resources are available to help with my job search? Free resources are available to completers, including interview tips, okay, mock interviews, good, and resume building workshops, career coaching sessions, and more. I'd like to know more. Okay, so this is coming in March. I'm biased to this because that's what I do. Project manager, I'm biased to this because I see a lot of people doing that, and that's really, this will never go away. This will never go, well, until AI kills us all, right? I mean, but for a while. UX design, that will never go away. So these three I would look at for sure. The IT support, entry level, but let's learn more. Okay. Google IT support certificates. Get on the fast track to finding an IT job from Google with a professional certificate from Google. Learn the foundations of networking and operating systems, or how to solve problems using code. Okay, so the backbone of any organization, right, is data, right? And so the infrastructure, I guess the infrastructure backbone is networking. You got to hook the computers together, right? Hook the servers together, hook the routers, splitter, whatever those things are, right? I don't know, but the guys that I work with, they're real good at it, and I'm sure they get paid pretty good. Let's see here. So no relevant experience necessary. 100% remote, online learning, under 10 hours a week. That's really good. So what is that, 10 hours a week? You can spend an hour Monday through Friday, and then a few hours Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, that's not too bad at all. Let's see here. $55,000 average entry-level salary in IT support. Okay, $55,000. That's a good salary. I mean, to me, I don't know about you, leave a comment, is that a good starting salary? I mean, to me, that's a great starting salary. I mean, and you can just go up from there. When I started, I didn't start that high. But that was decades ago, so inflation, whatever. But right now, as of February 6th, 2021, that's a great starting salary. I mean, if you're graduating college, imagine you take 4 years of college, and then you come out having $55,000. Is that good? Leave me a comment, yes or no. $55,000 is a good starting salary, or is not a good starting salary for a 4-year college degree. You know, but for a 6-month hardcore IT certified certification, man, come on. I think that's a no-brainer, right? Let's keep going. 86,500 entry-level IT jobs currently open. Okay, all right. Good. Coursera Online in partnership with Coursera. Learn online in partnership with Coursera. Fast and flexible so you can learn at the pace that's right for you. The Google IT Support Professional Certificate is the #1 career certificate on the online learning platform Coursera. #1, okay. Qualify for in-demand jobs in IT in both small and large organizations. IT support involves troubleshooting and problem solving to help computers, networks run smoothly, while providing great customer service along the way. Database administrator, I started off doing a little bit of that. IT specialist, that's kind of general. Tech support, I started off doing that too. System analyst, network engineer. Network engineers make a lot of money. Help desk technicians, they don't make a ton, but it's a foot in the door, right? That's where you get the foot in the door. IT support specialist, that's foot in the door. IT technician, foot in the door. Computer user specialist, foot in the door. IT assistant. All these are, except this one. This one is kind of like you can start there and just keep staying there for a long time. But these here, except this one you can stay there. This you can stay there. But all these others seem to be entry level, which is fine. Okay, so here, introductory level, IT support certificate, provides the skills you need for introductory level job in IT support with no relevant experience. Troubleshoot and customer care, networking, operating systems, system administration, security. Okay, full curriculum. Technical support fundamentals, the bits and bytes of computer networking, operating systems, and you becoming a power user. System administration, IT security. Oh, this right here, IT security. This is the wave of the future right here. This right here is the wave of the future, IT security. all these people getting hacked and stuff. You know, we need these people. We need these people. Let's see. I would for entry level. That's good. That's real good. I got no problems with that. Advanced level, IT automation with Python. Okay, automation is another big wave going on right now. Python is a programming language, so you be a programmer, a computer programmer that automates stuff, right? For learners familiar with basic IT concept, this advanced program builds on those foundations to take your career to the next level. You'll learn about Python programming, IT automation. Okay, both of these are hot. This right here, Python, is used for big data. Python's used for big data, IT automation, troubleshooting, debug, testing in Python, how to set up your development environment. Very good. Preview the certificate material, IT support certificate. Fundamentals of IT support. Learn about different areas, okay. Watch the video there. Okay. We saw that. Okay, what is IT support? Businesses, nonprofit, school system, computers break, systems fail, phones die. IT support is all about troubleshooting, problem solving when the tech fails, and providing great customer service along the way. You set up computers for users, you oversee the computer systems, and debug whenever a problem arises. That's how I started. A job in IT can mean in-person or remote help desk work in a range of organizations across many industries. Great. Okay, here's a good question. Why? Are you the right person? Okay, are you the right type of person for IT career? With entry-level jobs in IT fetching an average salary, entry-level jobs, an average salary of $55,000 per year, it's extremely lucrative with high potential for growth. I would completely agree, high potential for growth. I do not have a college degree, but yet I am making a lot more than a lot of people with a college degree, including my sister, including my brother. They both have college degree. My sister has a college degree from SMU. My brother has a college degree from the Naval Academy, and he was tired of his job. So I said, hey, what about being a database administrator? That's how he started in the IT field with my guidance. So he's doing quite well, you know. Now, please don't think that I'm bashing college degrees, because I'm not. I think they're very important, but dang, they're expensive. Come on. So if there's another way, a faster way to get started, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Leave me a comment below. And I don't think it's taking shortcuts, right? I think it's laser focusing on a certain thing, right? Like I said before, instead of doing all the other stuff that college does, right? So it's kind of like specializing. It's kind of like, it used to be, okay, here's a good analogy, maybe. So it's kind of like back in the day, we had go to college or go to trade school, right? Trade school was like the plumber or the mechanic or something, right? Where you get paid good money to do something valuable, right? So you can go to college, get the white collar job. You can go to the trade school, blue collar job. But either way, you're making good money. This is like the trade school of the new internet era, right? So now we have the internet. Now we've got computers. This is like the trade school of the new era, right? I think that's the best analogy I can think of. Leave me a comment if you like it. Give me a like if you like that analogy or not. Okay. Anyways, in the U.S., there were over 86,500 open entry-level IT support roles in 2020. Open. Okay? And jobs in this field are projected to grow 8% between 2019 and 2019. Wow. I wonder 8% each year or 8% over 10 years. Either way, that's good. Faster than average of all other occupations. Basic IT skills will position you to secure an entry level role, and from then on, the opportunities are endless. That is a true statement. That's how I got my foot in the door. I don't know if you guys remember this, but there used to be a computer company called Compact Computers, COMPAQ. I used to be That's how I got into the IT field. I was a tech support guy, right? I was a call center guy, right? And then from there I stepped up, and now I'm doing the data analytics, right? And from then on, the opportunities are endless. The stackability of these skills means that after gaining a baseline level of knowledge through the Google IT support program, it is easy to pick up more advanced skills. Yes, I agree. So once you get the foundation set, you understand the computer systems, you understand the hardware, you understand the help desk, that type of thing, then you can move on to other things. Absolutely agree. Absolutely. And that's exactly how I did it. So I know firsthand. I'm not just reading from I am just reading from a page, but I'm reading from my life too. So that's my life story, right? So why did Google create this program? Google themselves have long faced an issue that many other companies also contend with. We had open IT support roles and not enough qualified candidates to fill them. So a few years ago, we began working with nonprofit organizations to provide training and pathways to roles in technical support at Google. We learned that not only is IT support a highly teachable field, but that we could teach someone completely new to the industry, the IT fundamentals in under 6 months. So we decided to build an IT training program on Coursera, created entirely by Googlers who are expert in IT support, so this training could be available to everyone. Wow. So that tells me they said, hey, we had this problem, and how do we solve this problem? By setting up training to this problem, and they're thinking, oh, other companies have the same problem, so we're going to set up a career path. Okay, very smart, okay. Can I get academic credits? Probably not. The IT support professional certificate secured a credit recommendation from the American Council on Education, which is the industry standard for translating workplace learning to college credit. Now learners can earn a recommendation of 12 college credit for completing the program, the equivalent of 4 college courses at an associate degree level. Interesting. This aims to help open up additional pathways to learners who are interested in higher education and prepare them for entry-level jobs. Certificate completers who also pass the CompTIA A+ certification exams will earn a dual credential from CompTIA and Google. Any other languages? Okay, so this program is available in Spanish and Portuguese. Automation with Python. Crash course in Python. Using Python to interact with operating system. Introduction to Git and GitHub. That's not hard. Troubleshooting and debugging techniques. Configuration management and the cloud. Oh, yes. The cloud is the future now. Automating real-world tasks with Python. This is great. So, what do we got to do? Okay, so this is where you enroll. IT support professional certificate or IT automation with Python. I would do that one. If you're into geeky computer code, right? So that's the difference, right? Computer code here, or Google IT support here. Okay. Either way, it's IT. It's real good. Maybe launch the career and then advance your career, right? Do both. Why not? If it's just a fraction of the cost of college, right? A fraction of a fraction of a fraction. Take courses designed by the experts at Google. That's what I like right there. Master the job-ready skills you need to launch and advance your IT career. Completely online. Gain experience applying your skills and build a portfolio that showcases your new capabilities. Do you have experience, son? Yes, here's my portfolio that showcases my capabilities. Okay, that's exactly what you say there. Maybe, I don't know. Share your information with top employers. After you earn your certificate, you can share your information with potential employers like Walmart, Sprint, Bank of America, Hulu, Google, and more. Wow. Okay. Share your professional certificate with your network and capture the attention of hiring managers and recruiters looking to fill IT roles. I wonder how relevant this really is. I don't know. I'll need to talk to a recruiter. Unlock career support resources. Get access to career support resources that can help you in your job search. So Tristan A., okay, you can watch his video. He says when he discovered the IT support professional certificate, he knew this is my gateway. This is my path. This is how I can get into IT. Some more success stories. Get started with the 7-day free trial. Okay, 7-day free trial. I do not know how much this thing costs, but enroll for free. What's the fact? Enrollment options. 7-day free trial. Doesn't say. Can you tell me how much it costs? Okay, so the only thing that I don't know is how much it costs. So, and there are currently 529,000 people enrolled, but don't worry, all those people won't finish, because usually a lot of people don't finish their courses. Google. Okay. $3.99 a year. $3.99 a year. So you pay $400 and you get an IT certificate. Are you serious? I don't know if that's how you do it. Google IT support professional certificate. Look at that. See what you can learn with Coursera Plus. You tell me I pay $400 a year because it's a 6-month course. That's fine. I'll pay $500 or $400, and you get a 14-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so you go in for 2 weeks and you don't like it, you get your $400 back. Learn from 170 leading universities. Okay, and there's the Google IT support one right there. So I am guessing. Don't take this for. Oh, and there's that. Python for everyone. I think that's it. Python programming. And you can learn all kinds of stuff on here, Coursera. Okay, so I'm guessing it's $400 a year, but that I cannot verify without actually signing up for the course. But if any of you guys sign up for the course, verify, leave in the comments below, say I signed up for the course and it does cost $3.99 per year. Okay. For those specific IT courses. So, I mean, this is blowing me away. This is blowing me away. Why won't my daughter just take one of those IT courses? Because she doesn't want to do IT. She doesn't want to follow daddy's footsteps, which is fine. Okay, fine. I'm not going to force her. I'm just going to suck it up and pay the big money. Oh, yeah. But you know what? If you are interested, or if your kids or someone that you know is in college, going to college, whatever, but they like the IT stuff, this is an opportunity. Or if someone doesn't like their job, right? You got a junky job that you don't like, you can switch over, and it's not like you have to quit and take the class. You can take the class 10 hours a week, right? You can do it on the side. I think this is a win. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Like this video. I think this is huge opportunity. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy. Democratizing information and knowledge to make things cheaper. I think college is in for a scare with this, maybe. But like I said, I think it's not for everyone, right? It's not for everybody. Not everyone can be an IT person, right? I mean, it's just not in the DNA or thought process. People want to do other stuff. Obviously, people have to do. We need other people, nurses, doctors, that kind of thing, right? So, but if you, a loved one, someone that you know is looking for a career change, and they're happy, and they would be happy with that kind of money doing that kind of work, share this video. Share this video with them. And thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things that you do. And as always, Stay high tech. Peace.